at it again, and we are gonna be unboxing this nice little device here that I purchased on Amazon. Links down in the description below. A more budget-friendly option if you don't want to go with this bad boy up here that I'm using right now. GVM, great video maker, cob light with a 4-inch lantern softbox, which works well, but that cost me $250 with a $50 softbox, so actually $300. You can get a more budget-friendly version here. I got this on Amazon. Prices do fluctuate, just haven't opened it yet, but right before Christmas time, I bought this on Amazon. I got the links in the description below. Beauty gurus, makeup tutorial girls, fashion girl. A ring light is just perfect if you're trying to do like makeup tutorials. You just need like a nice light on your face. Let's open it. Yes, I know. I need a knife like Peter McKinnon. I just use my keys. Okay. Ooh, very nice, very nice.
Wow, it's a very nice.
10-inch LED ring light. Keep in mind this is LED. If you're worried about consuming too much electricity, don't worry. LED is very energy efficient. That's it. I thought this came with a tripod. The Amazon skimped me because when I bought it, it said it comes with a tripod. It don't really matter because I have like 5 tripods that's just chilling in Studio B right now. I use it for my other lights when I'm taking my eBay Poshmark pictures. If anything, I can use those tripods, but I thought this came with a tripod. There's one more little box in there. I can't get it out though. Oh! I couldn't pull it out.
That's what she said.
Oh, no, not that. Just come on.
No. So we do have a tripod. This is a mini tripod. I thought it came with a bigger one.
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
But it's all good. I'm just gonna be using this as a fill light. You could actually just put this on your desk. Girls that want to do like makeup tutorials and like beauty influencers. This is more like a table stand. It has its size.
That's what she said. Or he said.
No, but okay, that's not bad. So yeah, it's medium size.
Well, you always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
That's what she said.
It's more like a desktop tripod. You could put this on your vanity. You put the ring light right there, put the camera, boom. Perfect for makeup tutorials. What's good about this light, you could adjust the level of brightness. And there's different colors, black, white, and pink. This is the smaller version. They do have like a 25-inch one, but you don't need to be that big, especially.
That's what she said!
You could actually use this for TikTok too. This comes off, but you can screw on a smartphone holder right here and then just screw it on just like that. If you guys only have the budget for something like this, I highly recommend it. If the lighting in your room or wherever you film is not up to par, lighting is very important. A lot of creators, they don't really take lighting into consideration. If somebody goes to your channel, they click on a video, within that first 10 seconds, they're like, oh, it's too dim, the lighting sucks. They're gonna click off. If you have good lighting initially, that can determine whether they stay and watch your entire video or not. The rule of thumb is you should be spending as much on lighting as you are for camera gear, technically. You could clamp on the cell phone holder right in the middle here. It's a USB type of plug. So if you have a USB block already for your smartphone or whatnot, there's a control right here. It's got the power on, makes it brighter, this makes it dimmer. You know, it's something simple. It's affordable. If you don't have any lighting at all, this is highly recommended, especially if you're doing like tutorials, sit down videos where the camera's right there in your face. You could even set this up where you have the camera going in between right here. You know what I mean? Like, oh, sorry. Oh, shit. Like that. You just have the lighting surrounding the lens like that. When you're talking to the camera, that light will just get your face. Let's do a little sample of how big of a difference this lighting makes. So if you want to use this as your main light, in production terms, the main light is your key light. When you're doing lighting, there's a 3-point rule, right? There's the key light, which is what I'm using right here right now. The key light is the light in front. That's your main light. Then you have a fill light. A fill light is a light you put somewhere in the side or the background, and it kind of just fills in, gives you that depth of field. And then you have the rim light. This could be used as either a fill light or a rim light. Your rim light can go way in the back. You can even have like a little night light in the back, light the top of your head just to show some depth between you and your background. By the way, I never went to film school. I learned all this on YouTube. Let's just plug it in so you guys get a feel of how big of a difference having a light really works. And what's awesome about this is if there's no outlet near you and you can't plug this in anywhere, you can use a battery pack. And then you can turn it on. Woo! Let's do a little sample. I'm gonna turn off my key light right now and just show you guys how big of a difference this will make, right? This is absolutely no light at all. And it's already diffused. It's got a built-in diffuser already on the light. It makes it very soft. So, you know, you don't want that harsh light on you. So what you would do is, you know, when you're doing like a makeup tutorial, even just like a regular sit down kind of video, or story time, whatever kind of video you're doing, the camera will go right here, right in the middle of the circle, just like that. Of course, I wear glasses, so it's kind of glaring. But yeah, you could adjust the dimness of this. That's the lowest. And then that's the highest. That's the highest right there. I believe the middle button changes the color. Oh, I didn't even know it did that. So you could do warm or cold light too. So that's cool. So we have warm right here. It's not like a full RGB, but you could do 3 different temperatures. So we got warm. And this is very cool. It's got that blue fluorescent look. 1, 2, 3, 1. Got 3 levels. So this, 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 this. So that's cool. 3 different temperatures. This is very, very cool. This would be about 3,500 Kelvin, and this is the warmest right here. I mean, for 42 bucks, this is actually a good deal, folks. If you have no lighting at all, I highly recommend getting this. I got the links in the description below. Purchase it on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. I've shopped everywhere online. This is the cheapest place I found. You purchase it using my link. It does support me. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. You help me out. I'll be able to make more awesome videos for you guys, provide more value, do more unboxing, tech review videos for you guys. The last thing that it comes with, some accessories. Oh, nice. Comes with a mini tripod as well. So that's cool. I didn't even know it came with this. If you want to use it on your vanity or on your desk, table, whatever, just like a mini tripod, you just put the ring light right there. I'm glad they included this. Pretty much just going to be using that. The fact that they include this is cool. It's plastic, so it's not the best quality, but hey, it works for the price, right? And you could even use this as a little vlogging, you know, if you want to just put this on your G7X or whatnot, it works for that too, folks. It has multiple uses. So if you want to have the ring light on that tripod, then you could have this. It's like, oh, hey, what's up? You know, I'm here vlogging. Like, that's cool that they do include this nice little mini tripod. Very good product. Just have it on your desk like that. You could screw the ring light on right on top there. It also comes with a, oh, nice. Wow, I'm surprised it came with all this. You could screw on the ring light right there. And it has a ball head kind of thing that moves around. So if you're doing like a drawing, you want to shoot the overhead shot, you want to shoot downwards, use this, put the ring light right there and have it curved down to a 90-degree angle, and the light will be pointing directly downwards. So that's cool that they included that. Very heavy duty, very durable, very well made. It's good quality, good to have. Comes with a remote. You got to connect this to the Bluetooth on your smartphone. It works both for iPhones or for Android. And you can control the light remotely. That's good to have. Perfect. An adapter. It's a cold shoe mount. So if you want to put that ring light on the cold shoe of your camera, it has that mount, so that's cool. You can just screw the ring light on right up here, and it's got a cold shoe mount. Slide that on. You could just put the ring light directly on the cold shoe of your camera. That's pretty badass. I like that. So instead of putting the camera in the circle, you could just have the light right above the camera. That works too. I don't even know these accessories were included. So that's good. This is the cell phone holder. Many of you are recording and creating content with your smartphone, which is cool. That's how I started. I don't know what the hell this thing is for. We could take this thing out because we don't need it. And then you could screw on. It's a cell phone clamp. If you have a 12 Pro Max, it might be too small. I don't know why they make it so small. But if you have like an iPhone 8 or like an iPhone 12 mini or something, it'll work with this. That's the most it gets to. That's pretty small.
That's what she said?
My 12 Pro Max will not fit in this thing. But if you have a phone of that size, just buy a smartphone clamp that has a 1/4-inch threading on the bottom. Screw it on right over here. The phone will be right in the middle. Perfect for a makeup tutorial. Lastly, they include a mirror. Pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this whole set was made for like makeup gurus, makeup YouTubers and stuff. They include a double-sided mirror, magnifying mirror, as well as a regular size Canon R6 that I'm filming with, shooting at 4K, 24 frames per second. That's cool that they include a mirror. Very useful. Yo, I can use this for cutting my hair. I cut my hair myself. I have a video right here actually where I show how I cut my hair myself. Dude, this is perfect. The built-in bathroom mirror that I have already. Use this, cut the back, the sides. That's cool that they included a mirror. As a matter of fact, I need it right now because I'm finishing that keto video. I just started the keto diet. I'm working on a video right now talking about it. So this mirror will come in very handy. I'll be able to put on my makeup. No, I'm not a drag. I'm not gonna put on like full-on makeup.
Hi, sisters!
Powder is the only thing I use. I kind of just blot myself. Any shininess, any oil, any sweat that I have on me. This mirror is perfect for this, yo. But yes, men, it's okay to wear powder.
Hi, sisters!
If you're gonna be on camera, I learned this because I'm in the acting business. I'm here in LA. I'm an actor. I'm in the Screen Actors Guild and everything. So yes, when I'm on set, the makeup artist does put powder on me. I know that it's a necessity. If you're gonna be on camera, you have to powder yourself up. If you're sweating, shininess on your forehead or whatnot, you want to powder yourself. Just blot yourself a little bit. You don't have to go all out.
Hi, sisters!
Light powdering on your face. Get rid of any shininess you have. And that's about it. So yes, men, it's okay to wear makeup. Oh, like you ain't gonna be putting eyeliner, eyeshadows, lashes, and all that. No, just powder. Men, yes, we can use powder. There's nothing wrong with that, okay?
Hi, sister.
But yes, that's the ring light, folks. You guys want to check it out? I've shopped around for all the different kinds, and this is by far the least expensive one. And you get so much for your money. 2 tripods, mini tripod, as well as a regular size tripod, the ring light itself, a cell phone clamp, a remote, a cold shoe mount, as well as a ball and head adapter. So, and a mirror for all you beauty and makeup YouTubers. Comes with all this. Highly recommended. I got the link in the description below. If you use my link, I do get a small commission. It does help me out. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support, you guys. I appreciate it. You help me out, I'll be able to make more awesome videos for you guys. And I'm gonna end the video right here. I gotta work on my keto video now, so make sure you check out my keto video here. How to get started with keto. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure, if you haven't done so yet, you want to follow me on my journey on this YouTube grind. Smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share the video, leave a comment, do all that good stuff. I appreciate it, y'all. It's free. I mean, come on, just hit the subscribe button. Get my numbers up. Family, friends, if you truly do love and support me like you claim to, that's the least you could do. I mean, it's free. I think people who are not into YouTube, when they hear, oh, subscription, subscribe, they think like, oh, they have to pay for this. No, I'm not asking you to pay for anything. I'm not asking you to be a member or buy any of my merch or anything. Just click subscribe on my channel and then my numbers will go up. If you're truly my family and my friends and you truly support me, you would at least do that for me, right? But whatever, to each their own, right? See you on the next one. Shit. Peace.
I'm living in your messages.